Hello, my name is Jeff Swall, and today I will share with you a little information about the Extreme Portable Branch Kit. Now, historically, remote working and telelearning was simply a nice to have. But in today's changing global environment, enterprises and government agencies require business continuity. Healthcare is requiring remote clinics and now pop-up test sites to be able to go anywhere within a community. Schools, as well as businesses, require telelearning. Basically, we're seeing every single vertical market out there require some kind of branch or remote access or tele-access of some kind. Now, to enable this remote experience, we have a few common challenges that we see most among some of our customers. One is getting network access to the remote location. The second is cost can be prohibitive to purchase the firewalls, the networking gear, and everything that's really needed to make these connections secure and making it all work together. Another one is there's usually no additional IT resources that are available to deploy and manage these remote sites. And there are many more, but I'm just going to focus on these three today. And in response to these challenges that our customers have, Extreme Networks has created an affordable bundled solution called the Portable Branch Kit, which is a smart, simple, and secure solution to address these challenges and improve your business. So what's included in this Portable Branch Kit? Well, that's very simple. The kit includes an SD-WAN router, an access point, which is running in a distributed controllerless mode, and a subscription to our amazing Extreme Cloud IQ application. So now let's just jump right into these challenges I mentioned, and let's see some examples of how Extreme can help address these requirements. To address the challenge of getting network access to a location or branch, the XR600P branch router can connect to the internet via cellular LTE with a USB dongle, and there are multiple types that you can choose from, or right with an Ethernet connection. I mean, this powerful SD-WAN router can provide link state monitoring for dynamic shaping and improve performance based on your backhaul connectivity, whether you're connecting up to WAN port 0 or a WAN port 1, which are Ethernet, or using the USB, which is cellular. You can ensure your remote locations are always up and running under a variety of conditions in the most effective manner. Another challenge has not only to do with the cost for the hardware, but the functionality often required by multiple devices to ensure compliance and security. And you should be happy to know that the same SD-WAN router, which provides connectivity options at an affordable cost, also provides you with security. It provides a stateful layer 2 through 7 firewall for context-based security. It also provides layer 2 or layer 3 IPsec VPN services. And it provides identity-driven policy enforcement with traffic isolation, so you can be confident in the security of your remote network. The final challenge I'll talk about in this video deals with the simplicity and velocity of deployment. And for this, we have included our Extreme Cloud IQ application into the bundle. You've already seen a screenshot of the modem configurations, and what you are seeing is the Extreme Cloud IQ, which is our 3rd generation cloud platform, which is a GUI-based application built on microservices and uses state-of-the-art machine learning and artificial intelligence to create the most efficient and simplified deployments, allowing you to utilize the IT resources that you have today with the capability of deploying this technology tomorrow. Extreme Cloud IQ is the same place to not only support the access points and SD-WAN router from the Portable Branch Kit, but it's also the key component that Extreme Networks uses in building the industry's first cloud-driven end-to-end network. You can also go into the Extreme site and sign up, get a 30-day trial, go into the application, see what it's like. This is going to be managed all these different access points across multiple remote sites that you have, really making for an ease and a high velocity of deployments. So with this, I hope you enjoyed seeing one of the options, which is the portable branch kit that Extreme Networks is using to help educate students, to help enterprises and governments with their business continuity plans and solving other network challenges. So now I encourage you to reach out to your Extreme partner or Extreme sales team so that we can hear your specific challenges or initiatives so that we can advance together. Thank you.